As carefully curated as the minimalist design of LG Signature's world-class appliances, 2021 has started as a great year for all the new LG Signature lineups. It means the appliances or devices of LG that you used to have in your house have just got better. So without any further ado, let's see how significantly better the Signature series has become. The world's first and unrivalable TV has arrived. The LG Signature OLED R is the first ever TV with a flexible OLED display and is the very definition of a game changer. The large rollable screen can fully retract into the TV's base when not in use, providing a new level of spatial integration and an entirely new user experience. Its out-of-this-world picture quality is combined with a new extraordinary rollable technology, which is basically a screen as thin as paper rolls into a state-of-art sound system. This unbelievable display is only possible with the OLED self-lit pixel technology, and this will let you step into the future every time you experience it. The LG Signature OLED R is a work of art that fits your luxury lifestyle, a TV that appears when you need it and disappears when you don't. The undeniable aesthetic appeal of the LG Signature washing machine reveals an attention to detail and a complete understanding of understated minimalist design. Its Centum system dramatically keeps the noise and vibration as low as possible, while an internal ball balancer eliminates excess shaking for a far quieter and longer lasting washer. It eliminates 24 kinds of common stains. A targeted approach matches the ideal removal process to the stain's chemistry and responsiveness. From red wine to makeup, just get rid of stains to make your clothes pristine again. Give your clothes care with convenience, as its twin wash system will save your valuable time by bringing multitasking to laundry. So now laundry got more convenient, less messy and amazingly time-saving, as the LG Signature washing machine will take care of it all. Ensure proper food quality by retaining the essence of taste with the all-new LG Signature refrigerator. This fridge has got a linear cooling which creates a temperature that never varies by more than 1 degree from how you use it, and the coolness doesn't fluctuate even when the door is open. It's got an auto-open door feature. You can just step on the door open light projection on the floor in front of the refrigerator and the door gently opens. Inside, there's a fresh air filter with a dedicated fan that forces gentle air circulation, both freshening and deodorizing the inside air, keeping your food fresh. With a textured steel finish and black diamond glass, the LG Signature refrigerator shines in your home with an eye-catching design and keeps your food absolutely delightful. Putting that into perspective, LG has decided to make our surroundings better, and they have brought you a smart Wi-Fi enabled air purifier from their Signature series. Its watering engine rotates at high speed, spraying 80 liters of water in an hour to infuse moisture in inhaled air. Then atomized water is dispersed from the air to create a comfortable humidity level. By UV light, water in the bucket is sterilized before sprayed. When the humidification stops, the purified airflow will automatically dry the filter to prevent mold and bacteria. You can check the air quality with its smart indicator and smart lighting, and the water bucket can be cleaned very easily. The LG Smart Air Purifier from the Signature series is a very efficient one. So if you really want to make your home a lot safer, cleaner and better, then the LG Signature Air Purifier has to be your pick. Introducing LG's first dual fuel range. It gives you the benefit of a gas cooktop and an electric oven all in one. This range uses gas to fuel the cooktop for faster heating and boiling, and electricity to power the oven for professional style baking results. With its 7.3 cubic feet of capacity, now you can cook more in less time with it, and its Pro-Bake convection system provides optimal heat distribution and your cooking gets perfect. With its LG Ultra Heat 18500 BTU burner, you will get every bit of the precision you will love about gas gas with even more power. So no more waiting around to bring water and other liquids to boil. With its smart ThinQ technology, now you'll find cooking easier and more fun with Auto Cook download and easy clean guide on your smartphone. Having a dark metal body with textured and scratch resistant steel finish, this kitchen range from the LG Signature series is absolutely a fabulous product for your kitchen. So that was all about the new LG Signature appliances presented to you. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.